Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you can be notified on the next lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about place value through millions. You are going to learn it the easy way. But before we proceed to our main lesson, I would like to ask you one question. Do you eat cucumber? Cucumber is high in beneficial nutrients, such as antioxidants that help treat and even prevent some conditions. It is low in calories and contains a good amount of water and soluble fibers that are ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. But when is the best time to eat cucumber? Do you know that lots of it is sure to make you feel full and bloated? It will interrupt your sleep. This is because you are taking in more water and are bound to fill up the bladder and urinate more during your sleep. Cucumber contains 96% of water, so better don't take it during nighttime. Cucumber will be beneficial to us if we are going to take it during daytime. Then let us avoid them during nighttime or dinner, so that it will not disrupt our sleep. The main objective of our lesson today is to read and write numbers through millions. We are going to use place value chart so that everything will be easy for you. I want you to pay attention on the blue comma. You can notice that every 3 boxes you're going to put a comma. So, every 3 numbers, we need to put a comma. I want you to remember that the place value chart of millions consists of 3 columns. The first column on the right side is the ones place. The middle is the thousands place. And the first column, which is on the left, is the millions place. Now guys, I want you to pay attention on every column. Each column are divided also on 3 columns. The ones, the tens, and the hundreds. We are always going to start from the right side going to the left. The thousands place is also divided in 3 columns. The ones, the tens, and the hundreds. And the millions place is also divided in 3 columns. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Let us solve this example so that you will be guided. Write 2,587,903 in the word form, expanded form, and in the place value chart. Let us start writing the numbers in the place value chart. You are going to start from the right side going to the left. So the first number will be on the ones place in the ones column. Let us put number 3. Then 0 on the tens place and 9 on the hundreds place. Now you can see the comma. Now let us move on the thousands place. Let us put 7 on the ones place of the thousands. Then number 8 on the tens place of the thousands column. Number 5 on the hundreds place of the thousands column. It is easy. Now the last number is number 2 on the ones place of the millions column. Everything will be easier for you if you're going to put the last number on the place value chart starting from the right going to the left. If we are going to write the expanded form of that number, we are going to start with the first number, which is number 2. Then we are going to count how many numbers are there after 2. There are 6 numbers. We are going to replace that numbers with 6 zeros. The next number after 2 is 5. Then we are going to count how many numbers are there after 5. There are 5 numbers. We are going to replace it with 5 zeros. The next number after 5 is 8. And there are 4 numbers after 8. We are going to replace these 4 numbers with 4 zeros. The next number after 8 is 7. And there are 3 numbers after 7. So we are going to replace these 3 numbers with 3 zeros. The next number after 7 is 9. And there are 2 numbers after 9. So we are going to replace it with 2 zeros. The next number after 9 is 0. So 0 and 0 is the same. So we're just going to add number 3 on the ones place. It is easy, right? Now we are done with the expanded form. We are going to add all of this, and it will give us 2 million plus 500,000 plus 80,000 plus 70,000 plus 900 plus 0 plus 3. To write it in the word form, we are going to consider the 3 columns: the millions place, thousands place, and ones place. So the first column, which is the millions place, we're going to write 2 million. On the second column, which is the thousands place, we are going to write 587,000. And on the last column, which is the ones place, we are going to write 903. Now we can put them all together in the word form: 2,587,903. It is easy. Let us work on this example so that you're going to understand it well. Write the value of the encircled digit. On number 1, 9 is encircled. What is the value of this? How many numbers are there after 9? There are 2 numbers. Just replace it with 0. So the value of 9 on number 1 is 900. What about the value of 9 on number 2? It is the same step. We are going to count how many numbers after 9. So we have 5 numbers after 9. We're just going to replace it by 0. So the value of 9 in number 2 is 900,000. What about the value of number 2 in number 3? How many numbers are there after 2? There are 7 numbers. So just replace it by 0 and we can come up with 20 million. What about the value of 1 in number 4? Again, count the number after 1. We can come up with 3 zeros. So the value of 1 is 1,000. What about 9 in number 5? What is the value of 9? There is only 1 number after 9, so the value of 9 is 90. Let us try to work on this and circle the digit in the tens place with red color. The tens place is 6, so we're going to encircle it with red color. Box the digit in the hundred thousands place with blue color. We are going to box number 3 with blue color because it is in the hundred thousands place. Put a triangle on the number in the millions place. Where is the millions place? The millions place is number 7. So we're going to put a green triangle on number 7. To wrap it up, if you are going to put the numbers in the place value chart, always start with the ones in the ones place going to the left. To avoid mistakes. To write the expanded form, just replace the numbers with the 0 as you can see. Then add it up. To write the word form, consider the 3 columns in the place value chart. So, we have 2,587,903. To find the value of the digit, just replace the number after that digit with 0, and you can find the value. To find the number in the given instruction, just put the numbers in the place value chart and you're going to get the correct answer. Let us continue our discussion regarding cucumber. Do you know that it contains magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K? These 3 nutrients are vital for the proper functioning of the cardiovascular system. I want you to remember this. Taking magnesium and potassium can lower down blood pressure. A regular intake of cucumber has been found to decrease bad cholesterol and blood sugar level as well. I will always remind you guys what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. So what are you going to do? If you find confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it step by step, slowly and carefully. And I know you can get it. Remember guys, life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you guys to score high in math. Be wise and healthy and always be safe. Okay guys? Till next lesson. Bye-bye!